Hello kids, today we are going to continue with the lesson that we have learned. We have already learned the first part of our lesson of standard 1 subject English and the lesson number 6. First part we have discussed. So in a short while we are going to discuss the first part and then we'll move to further. पहले थोड़ा सा डिस्कस कर लेते हैं what we have learned and then we'll move further. So what was the name of our lesson? It was the young giant. What was the name of the lesson? The young giant. In our story, giant is there, farmer is there, and a small baby, tiny baby is there. These are the three persons in our story. Farmer took a small baby to the farm. उसका baby बहुत small था. Still he took him to the farm and the baby started crying that I want to go to the farm. That's why farmer has to took him. वो बहुत रोने लगा. That's why farmer has to took him to the farm. वो बहुत रोने लगा. That's why farmer ने क्या कहा, चलो आप इतना cry कर रहे हो, so I'm going to take you to the farm. मैं आपको farm पे ले चलता हूँ. Then what happened over there in the farm? Big huge monster came and he took the baby away. बहुत big monster वहां पर आया था और उसने क्या करा, बेबी को वहां से ले गया था. In the last lesson we have learned some new words also. So एक बार we are going to revise the new words and then we are going to begin the further part. So let's revise. Number 1 is young. Number 1 is young. We have already learned the spelling. Y-O-U-N-G. Young. Number 2 is tiny. T-I-N-Y. T-I-N-Y. Number 3 is giant. Monster was very giant. Spelling G-I-A-N-T. G-I-A-N-T. Number 4 is small. Who was small? The farmer's baby was very small. Number 5, afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D. A-F-R-A-I-D. Afraid. Number 6, farmer. Number 6 is farmer. Spelling F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Farmer is a person who used to work in a farm. Number 7, field. Spelling of field F-I-E-L-D. F-I-E-L-D. Now turn comes of number 8. So what's the spelling? Cried. C-R-I-E-D. The spelling of cry is C-R-I-E-D. Now the turn comes of number 9. It's come. Spelling of come is C-O-M-E. The spelling of come C-O-M-E. Next one is number 10 and it is along. Along means together. Spelling of along A-L-O-N-G. So that was the new words. These were the new words that you should remember. जो आपको क्या कर लेना है, learn कर लेना है. Now moving on towards our story. What was there in our story? In story, when the giant took away the farmer's baby. जब giant farmer के baby को ले गया अपने साथ, so what he did? He took care of him. Took care of him मतलब उसका बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान रखा, बहुत ध्यान रखा उसका. And then soon later on he grew very young. धीरे धीरे वो यंग हो गया. बहुत सारे ईयर्स तक जब मॉन्स्टर ने उसको अपने साथ रखा और बड़ा हो गया तो वो क्या हो गया, यंग जायंट बन गया वो. क्योंकि किसके साथ रहता था? द बॉय वाज लिविंग विद जायंट. वो जायंट के साथ रह रहा था. तो जो फार्मर का बेबी था, नाउ ही ग्रू अप एज अ यंग जायंट. वो भी एक यंग राक्षस बन गया. नाउ आफ्टर लिविंग विद अ जायंट फॉर मेनी ईयर्स, when he was living over there, बहुत सारे साल तक जब वो जॉइंट के साथ लिव कर रहा था, now what he thought? He was thinking of his father. He started missing his father. उसने अपने फादर को मिस करना स्टार्ट कर दिया। नाउ व्हाट ही थॉट नाउ आई शुड गो एंड मीट माय फादर, अब मुझे अपने फादर से मिलने जाना चाहिए। सो व्हाट ही डिड, नाउ ही वाज अ जायंट, सो व्हाट ही डिड ही मूव्ड आउट ऑफ हिज केव, वो जिस केव में जायंट के साथ रहता था, ही मूव्ड आउट ऑफ दैट केव एंड गो टू मीट हिज फादर इन द फार्म, वो अपने फादर से मिलने के लिए कहा गया, इन द फार्म। बट एज ही सेट ऑफ मतलब जैसे ही वो निकला अपने फादर से मिलने के लिए, द जायंट वॉज देयर, ही सेड वेयर यू आर गोइंग, सो व्हाट द जायंट सेड, नाउ आई वांट टू मीट माय father, now I want to meet my father, so as he wanted to meet his father he set off, वो giant के पास से निकला और कहाँ गया, he moved to the farm, where he moved to the farm where the farmer used to plug the field, वो कौन से फार्म में गया, जहां पे उसका फादर हमेशा फील्ड में प्लगिंग करता था, जो उनका फार्म था। When the monster young giant reach over there, जब वो monster young giant वहां पे पहुंचा, so he stood over there, वो वहां पे जाके खड़ा हो गया। The farmer was plugging his field and he was very sad and became old also, वो बूढ़ा भी हो गया था and he was feeling very sad. Why he was feeling very sad? Because he was thinking of his son, वो अपने बेटे के बारे में ही पूरे दिन सोचता रहता था, that may where my son would be, what he would be doing, he used to think all these things all the time. But as the giant moved and stand on the land, जब वो उस लैंड पे जाके खड़ा हो गया, where the land means the farm, as I told you, like this is the farm, what we can say, ये this is the farm and here is a farmer who is plugging the field, farmer है जो field को plug कर रहा है। Here comes the monster, यहाँ पे वो कौन आया, the big cruel monster, एक बहुत बड़ा सा राक्षस, he came over there and stood, वो वहां पर आया और वहां पर आके वो खड़ा हो गया, he stood over there, he now became young, when the giant took the baby away, जब giant उस baby को ले गया था, at that time the baby was very small that it could come only in the hands of the farmer, so now he grew up as a young giant, अब तो वो young giant बन गया था, means राक्षस बन गया था। Now when he stand on the land, जब वो land पे खड़ा हुआ, at that time farmer could not recognize him, farmer ने उसको पहचाना नहीं, recognize मतलब पहचानना, so farmer could not recognize him, उसने उसको पहचाना नहीं, he got scared, वो डर गया, उसने कहा ये कौन है। Then the young giant very politely said to the farmer that father I am your son, what did giant said, giant ने बहुत ही politely मतलब आराम से क्या बोला, he said to the giant that I am your son, मैं आपका बेटा हूं। Then farmer was very happy to see his son back, फार्मर बहुत ही ज्यादा खुश हो गया अपने सन को वापस देख के, एंड ही ग्रीटेड हिम, ग्रीटेड मतलब किसी से प्यार से मिलना, उसको ग्रीटेड बोलते हैं। एज योर इन द वेकेशंस यू यूज्ड टू गो टू योर मामाज हाउस, वेकेशंस में मामा के हाउस जाते हैं ना, तो जब मामा के हाउस जाते हैं, व्हाट मामा यूज्ड टू डू, mama is there, mommy is there, grandmother, grandfather, the maternal grandfather, maternal grandmother, they are over there, what they used to do, they used to greet us, हमको प्यार से ऐसे गले लगा लेते हैं। Same the farmer did with the young giant, farmer ने भी young giant के साथ सेम करा, he greeted him very tightly, बहुत ही टाइट से उसने उसको ग्रीट करा। Why? Because he was seeing his son from a long time, he didn't even saw him from a long time, so he was greeting, उसने बहुत टाइम से अपने बेबी को देखा ही नहीं था। Finally when he saw him so big, जब उसने देखा कि मेरा बेटा तो अब यंग हो गया है, so he felt very happy. Then the giant said to the farmer, the young giant ने farmer को क्या बोला, father now I am a young boy, अब मैं बड़ा हो गया हूँ, now I am going to help you in your farming, अब मैं आपको आपके फार्मिंग में हेल्प करूंगा, एंड वी बोथ विल लिव टुगेदर हैप्पीली, और हम साथ में अच्छे से रहेंगे। सो व्हाट डिड फादर सेड, फादर सेड for so many years you're not living with me. बहुत सारे साल से आप तो मेरे साथ नहीं पे रह रहे हो. So do you know how to live, how to survive? Because life of a giant is different from the life of a farmer. एक farmer का life और एक giant का life दोनों एक दूसरे से एकदम क्या होता है, opposite. Giant वो तो एक राक्षस है. फार्मर इज अ पर्सन हु यूज्ड टू वर्क इन अ फार्म. ये तो फार्मर है जो फार्म्स में वर्क करता है. ही इज अ जायंट, वो तो राक्षस है. तो दोनों का लाइफ कैसा हो गया, एकदम ऑपोजिट हो गया. सो व्हाट द फादर सेड टू हिज यंग जायंट दैट यू वर लिविंग फॉर सो मेनी इयर्स विद द जायंट. Now, do you know how you are going to survive over here? So what the young giant replied, yes, father, I was missing you from so many years and I know how I am going to survive over here. Then what the giant started doing? Giant started helping the farmer. Giant ने farmer का help करना start कर दिया. With giant, the young giant. Who was young giant? Young giant was the son of the फार्मर. उसने क्या करा, उसने फार्मर के साथ वर्क करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. देन फार्मर बिकेम वेरी हैप्पी. दे बोथ स्टार्टेड वर्किंग टुगेदर. जब वो साथ में वर्क कर रहे थे, देन व्हेन इट वाज लिटिल बिट डार्कर, जब धीरे धीरे थोड़ा अंधेरा होने लगा. लिटिल बिट डार्कर मींस थोड़ा थोड़ा अंधेरा हो जाना. व्हेन इट वाज गेटिंग लिटिल बिट डार्कर, द फार्मर एंड हिज सन मूव बैक टू देयर house. Move back to their house. You all know how the people live in the villages, what kind of houses they are having. Let's see. I am going to draw a small house for you as the people used to live in the villages. That kind of house we'll draw. It's a kind of hut, you can say. This is the top roof. This is the bottom part of the house. You can say here must be a window and here is a roof like this. This kind of small house in the villages where people used to live. ऐसे small houses होते हैं जहाँ पे कौन live करता है? The farmers used to live in the villages. छोटे छोटे गांव में जो people live करते हैं, farmer जो live करते हैं, their houses are very small like this. So finally what happened? The farmer took his son away with him to his house. वो अपने house उसको son को ले गया. And after that they lived their life very happily again. His son was a very good son. Why? Because he loved his father very much. वो अपने father को बहुत love करता था. That's why he became very good son. He worked hard for his father and he daily used to go with his father in his farm to work hard. Still when he was living with the giant, वो किसके साथ बड़ा हुआ? Giant के साथ. Giant ने उसको अपने साथ बहुत सारे years के लिए रखा. But after living for a long time with the giant, then also this young giant was very good man, very good boy. He became very good boy. He worked hard for his father and he used to work with his father. उनके father के साथ वो field में work करता था farmer की. And they both used to work hard. In the evening they both moved back to the house and then they stayed a very happy life. Here our chapter gets over. Now we are going to recall whole of the lesson again. पूरा lesson beginning से end तक एक बार recall कर लेते हैं. Name of the lesson, The Young Giant. Story is about three. Who are there? Giant, farmer, then a little tiny boy. And when the tiny son became big, what he did? The giant took him away. When the baby was very small, he was crying. That's why farmer took him to his farm. But who came over there? A big giant came and took that baby away. Then what happened? Then giant took care of the baby for a long time. What happened after that? After that, when living so many years with the giant, the small baby became young. The small baby था वो बड़ा हो गया था. When he became young, what he did? He wanted to come back to his father. उसको अपने father के पास वापस आना था. So finally he came back to his father. When he came back to his father, did his father recognize him? उसके पापा ने उसको पहचाना? No, he did not recognize him. So what he said to his father, that I'm your son, that the giant took me away from you. मैं आपका ही बेटा हूँ जिसको giant आपके पास से ले गया था. So the giant greeted him very nicely. उसने बहुत ही अच्छे से उसको greet करा, मतलब गले लगा लिया. And the farmer and the giant lived the life very happily. Here ends our story. Now we are going to learn few new words of the second part of our story. So we are going to do from our books. So let's get started. Now, number one is field. Field. Number two is tried. Tried. Number three, looked. Looked. Then number four is after. Number four is after. Who was looking after? The giant was looking after the farmer's son. Who was looking after? The giant was looking after the farmer's son. Next is number five. Set off. Set off means moved off. Number six is speechless. Speech. Speech. Less. Less. Speechless. Next is number seven. And what is number seven? It is plug. Plughed. So we'll read all the spellings together. Then we are going to do few more exercises. Okay. So the spelling of field, Field. Spelling of field, Field. Next one is tried. Tried मतलब कोशिश करना. Tried. Spelling of tried, Tried. Next one is looked. Looked मतलब देखना, किसी को देख रेख करना. Over here looked means that farmer's son who was looking after farmer's son giant. Giant ने farmer के son का बहुत ज्यादा time तक ध्यान रखा था. Number four is after. Number four is after. After. Spelling of after is After. Now, turn comes of number five. Number five is set off. S-E-T, set. O-F-F, off. S-E-T, set. O-F-F, off. Number six, speechless. मतलब बोलना बंद. Who was speechless? The farmer was speechless to see his son. Farmer ने इतने सालों के बाद अपने बेटे को देखा था, so he became speechless. उसकी आवाज ही नहीं निकल रही थी. Why? Because he could not recognize him. Now, number seven is plugged. Plugged means the field. When the boy came back, जब वो young giant वापस आया, he worked hard with his father and plugged the whole of the field. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to do a small exercise. You have to rearrange the words. Few words we are writing. What you have to do? You have to rearrange those words. Now, spelling of rearrange. This is the exercise. A small exercise we are going to do. Spelling of rearrange. R-E-A-R-R-A-N-G-E. Rearrange. As in the small classes, you must be doing jumbled word. Jumbled word means the spelling of rain is given, but N is written in the front and R is written on the back side. So you have to make a correct spelling. That means rearrange the word. Rearrange. T-H-E. The S-P-E-L-L-I-N-G-S. we are going to rearrange small spellings. So number one is there, Lopugh. This is number one. Now number two. Number two we are going to say as the Remfar. Number two is there. Then number three we can say Taing. Then number four we can see as Gyoun. This is number four. Let's solve this, then we'll move further. Itna solve kar lete hain, then we'll move further. Now can you think which spelling it could be? Lopugh. We have learned the spelling. It's the spelling of plug. It's the spelling of plug. So what will be the correct spelling? We'll repeat together. Plugh. The correct spelling is plug. The correct spelling is plug. Next one is, can you guess? It's the spelling of farmer. It's the spelling of farmer. Farmer. It's the spelling of farmer. Now this, it's the spelling of a giant. It's the spelling of a Giant. It's the spelling of a giant. Now this, how was the baby of a farmer? He became young. So Young. This is the spelling of young. Now we'll do few more words or words. Let's do. Now, where farmer used to work? In his farm. Farmer used to work in farm. So the spelling of farm, what it could be? Then next, where he used to live? In a village. Where he used to live? In a village. A giant monster come in the field of a farmer. So farmer got afraid. Now the last one is, so what did you do? He took care of him. What did he do? Took care of him. Chalo, now we are going to make it correct. Number one, where the farmer used to work? He used to work in his farm. So spelling of farm, Farm. Where he used to work? He used to work in his farm. Farm. Now, second number, where the farmer used to live? Farmer used to live in a village. So spelling of village, Village. Spelling of village, Village. Next comes, when the farmer saw the giant, how he was feeling? He got afraid. How he got? He got afraid. So spelling of afraid is Afraid. Then the last one is care. The last one is care. Who took the care? The giant monster took the care of the farmer's son. Who took the care? The giant took the care of the farmer's son. Now, After reading a story, what is the moral of the story? What we learn from the story? हमको क्या पता चलता है स्टोरी से? What we are learning here? A young giant means a small baby. When the baby is very small, जो बहुत small baby था, at that time only, who took him away? The giant took him away. उसको giant वहां से लेके चला गया था. After living with giant for so many years, जब giant small baby को ले गया था, then also when baby was living with the giant for so many years, बहुत सारे सालों तक वो किसके साथ रहा? giant के साथ. Then also he didn't became bad. वो उसके बाद भी bad नहीं बना. He always used to miss his father. वो हमेशा किसको मिस करता था? अपने फादर को. And when he got a chance, so he came back to his father. जब उसको चांस मिला तो वो कहाँ आ गया? अपने फादर के पास. So the moral that we are getting, that whether we are doing anything bad or anything good, we should inform our parents. हमको कभी भी अपने पेरेंट्स को डिसरिस्पेक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. We should always respect our parents. हमको अपने पेरेंट्स को रिस्पेक्ट always करना चाहिए. Why? Because parents are the persons who loves us, who cares for us, and who earns for us. Three things. They used to love us, they care for us, and they earn for us. This farmer was doing. Farmer is plugging the field for whom? Farmer किसके लिए plug कर रहा था? He was plugging the field, growing the crops for his son only. So, in the same way as father is working out, mother is working out, for whom? They both are working for you only. किसके लिए वर्क करते हैं? आपके लिए. तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? In return, you should listen to them. Same, the young giant did. Young giant ने क्या करा? The monster took him away. Still, वो किसको याद करता था? अपने father को. So he was very good. The same lesson we should also have, as mother, father earns for us, care us, loves us. So what we should give in return? We should also give love, care, as well as the respect. What we should give in return? हमको return में उनको क्या देना चाहिए? Love, respect, and care. Same for the teachers also. As the teachers are teaching to you in the class, do you disrespect your teacher? क्या आप अपने टीचर को कभी disrespect करते हैं? No. You all are very good. आप सब कैसे हैं? बहुत good है. So if you are very good, what you should do? You should always respect the others. Not only the teachers, the person out of your house, person जो आपके house में live भी नहीं करते हैं, they are also the person to whom you should respect. Respect करना चाहिए. क्यों? Because they are elder. आपसे बड़े हैं तो हमको क्या करना चाहिए? We should respect them. That are the things that we used to learn over here. हम स्कूल आते हैं. Why we are coming to school? To study, then to build up our brain. अगर हम पढ़ेंगे तो उससे हमारा ब्रेन बिल्डअप होगा. We learn so many things, and the most important thing, to learn the good habits as you are coming to school. So you should learn the good habits, that early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. That's a slogan for you कि हम क्या करेंगे? You should wake up early in the morning, you should sleep early in the evening, and you should respect your parents. Then only you can become strong. These all the things are important in our life. And where we used to learn all these things? We can learn all these things in our school, because we are the teachers that we can teach you all these things. In the good habits, so many things used to come. Not only the one thing. The most important thing, that you should respect your parents. वो first चीज है. As the young giant was doing, he was living with giant, but वो अपने father को miss करना उसने बंद नहीं करा था. Why? Because he respect his father as well as he love his father. वो respect करता था अपने father की और अपने father को love भी करता था. What we should do? We should love our parents. We should respect them. We should care for them. And most importantly, beta, when you woke up in the morning, you get ready for the school. What you should do? You should always bow down towards your family members. Family members में सबके सामने हमेशा always हमें bow down करना चाहिए. Why? Because they are the elder persons in our house, and what they used to give us, they will give their love and their ब्लेसिंग्स. वो अपना लव हमें देते हैं, और एज वेल एज लव के साथ हमको क्या देते हैं? वो दे यूज टू गिव देयर ब्लेसिंग्स टू अस. and because of their blessings what we can get, we will be very strong from the bones as well as from the mind. Same was with the young giant. वो रहा तो giant के साथ, but he used to care for his father, he respect for his father, so that's why he became very good.